Okay, since we are now aware of intercept option, we have multiple options in our Burp Suite. As you can see, we have dashboard, we have target, we have intruder, repeater, collaborator, sequencer, decoder, and many more options. There is interesting option that we can see that here is a target option, and in the target option we can see all those websites that we have tried to visit. For example, if we see if let's see if the intercept is off. Let's turn off the intercept, go to the target, and if we go to this Firefox and let's go to the nmap here, and let's go back to the Burp Suite, and now here you can see somewhere we can get nmap. So here is nmap, and in the nmap you can see the request we have here for the nmap, and we have the HTML code for nmap here, we have raw code for HTML, and when we click on render, it will take a little bit of time and it will render the web page of nmap here. So let's wait, and as you can see we have the nmap page rendered here. And even if we try to go to volantech.com, let's go to volantech.com here and go to the Burp Suite once again back, and as you can see we have opened volantech.com, and here is Volantech. And if we click on Volantech, let's wait, here you can see we have got the request for this page, and here you can see the Volantech page is also got rendered, but it is not looking as good as it is looking here, because here it is looking much more beautiful. So that's how you can see what targets you have visited. Now since we are aware of intercept option, let's turn on intercept here, and now let's go to this website, and if we type here test and click on login here, you can see this request is got intercepted. Now what we can do here is click right and send it to repeater, and once you click to repeater you can see it is highlighted here. So once you click on the repeater, what you can do here is you can literally modify things here. So now let's see what we can do. Not only we can modify some stuff here, that is this, for example we type any password here and just click on the send here, and you can see on the response we have got something, and let's click on send again, send all these requests, and after sending all these requests you can see we have http 302 found. That means we didn't got our page loaded, because to get our page loaded we have to get code 200. So it is saying that we have to follow a redirection. So if we click on follow redirection, we have got a HTML code right here. So if we scroll a little bit down, we have sent the request of our password, and we have sent for 5 times I guess, and all the time it said login failed. And if we go to the render, we can see it is telling login failed for the 5 times. Now if we go to the proxy back here and turn intercept off, and now here click on test and then again test, and now go back here, turn the intercept on. I have closed the Firefox, so let's go back to our website once again, go to dvwa, and let's go back to this website again, and it is loading this website because we didn't logged out. And let's go to intercept, and we have intercept on, and let's now type test and type on login, and now after clicking on login we have intercepted it. So let's click here, send it to repeater, and go to the repeater now, and now let's modify these things here. So let's type admin here, and let's again type admin here. And what else we can modify here, we can change the user agent name. So for example, name it as some S24, and if we send this, it will again ask us for follow redirection. And once we follow the redirection and scroll a little bit down in this web page, you can see it says welcome to DAM vulnerability web application. And if we render, or even if we don't render, just go to the website, and if we see this, that our login is completely fine. And if we send all these requests and go to the render page, you can see this page is rendered now. And here as well, As you can see, this page is rendered now. So that's how you can check a lot of things regarding this. And go to the proxy again, you have to just forward all this again. Just click on the forward, and if you go here, and it says we have successfully logged in here. And if we click on the render button here, it will take a little bit time, and it says we have successfully logged in as admin because we have clicked 2 times. So it gave us 2 results, and that's how you can use repeater. So repeater is basically nothing but it is similar to intercept option, but with the repeater you can send multiple requests at a single time. Meet you in the next lecture with more options of Burp Suite.